Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're delving into Intel. Our initial report was released on our website on Tuesday, March 5, 2024, and now we're providing you with a more in-depth analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay tuned for updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access AI insights and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Since March 5, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate with a score of -2.20. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We will closely monitor this evaluation to track its progress in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in the midst of a broad and declining short-term trend, indicating a potential further decrease. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -7.12% change in the next quarter, with a possible return ranging from -10.17% to 3.17%. Examining the 12-month trend, a 54.24% change is forecasted for the upcoming year, with a potential return between 40.12% and 93.89%. This implies a price range of $60.48 to $83.68 by the end of the year. Our latest update on Intel reveals that the stock price experienced a decline of -5.37% on Tuesday. The Intel stock price dropped from $45.61 to $43.16 on the last trading day, Tuesday, March 5, 2024, with a fluctuation of 5.1% from a low of $42.69 to a high of $44.87. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 5 instances, resulting in a decrease of -3.05%. The trading volume also decreased by -3 million shares on the same day, totaling 56 million shares traded for approximately $2.42 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $25.45. Currently, the price sits 15.83% or $8.12 below the 52-week high, and 37.71% or $26.13 below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price soared to $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 16, 2024, Wedbush rated Intel as underperform with a hold recommendation. On Friday, February 16, 2024, Wells Fargo rated Intel as buy with a hold recommendation. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Intel as sell with a hold recommendation. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer rated Intel as perform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Intel as neutral with an initialize recommendation. Analysts have rated Intel stock as neutral overall. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as neutral. However, analysts have given a buy rating for return on investment. Identified signals for Intel. Mixed signals in the stock today. Short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, leading to a negative forecast. A general sell signal is present due to the relation between the two averages. Resistance levels at $43.34 and $44.39 exist on corrections up. A break above these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume decreased alongside the price, reducing overall risk. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on February 28, 2024, resulting in a 2.79% increase. Further rise expected until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 234 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel has found support from accumulated volume at $42.99, indicating a potential buying opportunity as an upwards reaction is expected when the support level is tested. With controlled movements and good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered minimal. On the last trading day, the stock showed a $2.18 price range, equivalent to 5.1% movement. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.44%. Let's start by discussing some key fundamental data before exploring potential trading levels for Intel. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a critical metric that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. An exceptionally high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.130. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Let's now explore potential day trading levels for Intel. In an upward scenario, Intel faces its first resistance at $43.65. If you're not already invested, consider entering after this level is surpassed. For current shareholders, this could be a point to ponder for swing trading. If the stock takes a downturn, the initial support for Intel is at $42.99. Should this support hold, it might present a favorable entry opportunity with expectations of a bounce back. The average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is currently neutral. Let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 29, 2024, Zinsner David bought 130,496 shares of performance stock units. On the same day, Zinsner David also purchased 86,997 shares of restricted stock units. Another insider, Shel Christoph, acquired 130,496 shares of performance stock units. Shel Christoph also bought 86,997 shares of restricted stock units on the same day. Additionally, Hoddard Justin purchased 115,688 shares of restricted stock units. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider sentiment is positive with a ratio of 65.437. Overall, insiders bought 2,061,286 shares and sold 452,010 shares in the last 100 trades. We are issuing a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel currently shows several negative signals, indicating potential weak performance in the near future. Our evaluation suggests a negative outlook on this stock, with a downgrade from buy to sell candidate due to technical weaknesses. Despite these factors, our analysis indicates that the current price of Intel is undervalued based on recent volatility and movements in the market. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, March 6, we anticipate Intel to open up $0.413 and commence trading at $43.57. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Consult a financial advisor before trading securities. Do not rely solely on StockInvest.us for investment decisions. Your use of the information holds you accountable for your own investment choices. Share your perspective on the current stock view. Drop a comment with your thoughts and target for the stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Wishing you successful trading and a fantastic day from the StockInvest team.